Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to undo a commit that has been done by mistake. For example, there are many such scenarios for me personally. We will do some code, we will add some code, we will remove the code, and without proper checking, we'll do a commit of that code. But after doing a commit, we will realize that this commit should not been done. So how to delete that commit both in local as well as in server? We'll see that process in this video. So imagine I'm removing a code, for example, saving it, I'm going to commit it. So I'm just adding a commit message. Okay. So I have created a commit after removing a line of code. Then I realized that this code is important and this should not have been removed, and I don't have backup for this as well. So what to do during this scenario? It is to be noted that the commit was not pushed to server origin. Okay, git. See, so this is origin's last commit, and this is our local commit. So I just want to remove this commit because I have created this commit by mistake, and this should be removed. So there is a command git reset hyphen hard head tilt symbol 1. So what this will do is this will move this commit from here to here. In the sense, this will remove this commit and point to this commit. Okay, you can see that head is now pointed to DC246A8, which is this. Now we can see git log hyphen online. See, this commit has been removed. Now if we open the code, we have got back this line. Okay, so our problem is solved now. Now there is another scenario. For example, I'll do the same thing. I will remove this line, save it, git commit -m. So in order to just uh, understand that, we are going to push this commit to server. So I'm just giving a commit name check server. So now this is not actually pushed into server. Now git log, see, so this is actually local commit. Now we will push it. Now this commit has been pushed to origin, that is server. See, it is pushed to server. Now I realized that this code is very important, and this commit should not been done both in local as well as in server. So how to bring back the last commit? How to bring back this line of code to our commit? So there is a procedure for that. So we will do, first step is we'll do the same process that we have did for the local one. Git reset hard head. This will reset our git repository to the one commit back. So now we can see that this is pointed to this commit. We have got this line in local actually, but what about in server? See, for example, now our commit is test remove 1. So our commit is test remove one, but in server it is check server, which is that removed part. Okay, that removed part. So how to overwrite this in server as well? So for that, do some changes, do some any of the changes here, and create a new commit. For example, let's just add a dot, save it, create a new commit. Okay, now git there will be some difference. For example, see, test remove one and then updated commit, but in server test remove one and check server, I want this commit to be removed and this commit to be updated here. So we have a command git push force. So this what will do is this will push this commit to server and overwrite the existing one. So the overwritten is done. Now we will reload and see what happens. See, now our server commit is matching with the local commit. See, test remove one and updated commit here and updated commit here as well. So this is how we'll have to delete a commit that is created accidentally, even if it is local or even if it is in server. So hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.